My friends. I have 4 close friends. We first met at school, and over the years, we have become very close. Each one of my friends has a different personality, and that is what makes our group special. Some of them are calm and like to read, while others are energetic and always ready for new adventures. Even though we are different, we understand each other well. We also stand by each other during personal problems. We have shared so many moments, good and bad, that our friendship feels solid and real. I appreciate how we support each other when things get difficult. One of my friends once had trouble with another student who kept annoying him. Instead of letting him deal with it alone, we stayed by his side, talked to the teacher, and made sure he felt safe. Moments like these showed me what true friendship means. But it's not always serious. Most of our time is full of laughter. We play football, share snacks, and tell stories that only we understand. Sometimes we sit together on the school steps and talk about our dreams for the future. Having friends who listen, who understand, and who stay with you in hard times is something I never take for granted.